Hey, so what is up, guys? CP Cool here, back at you again with another video. And in today's video, I just want to keep it a little more short. We are going to be opening up 4 Pokemon booster packs today. 3 of those packs are going to be Crimson Invasion, and we have 1 pack of Guardians Rising, just to see if we can test our luck with these sets. I know they're not as popular, but they're still Pokemon sets. So we're going to start off with Guardians Rising, and I feel a little bit lucky with this one because this was out of a collection box that I pulled nothing out of. So I'm kind of hoping this has something inside of it. I forgot which collection box it was. Pretty sure, yeah, I'm not 100% sure. It might have been a different one that actually had some stuff inside of it. But we are going to open it up. Don't know what we're going to get inside. Oh, give it away. Solid green right there. So that does mean I'm not going to get anything, but I can still go with a leaf type energy. We can still get a reverse rare. You don't know. We do have lightning type energy. Hakamo'o, Whimsicott, Vanillish, Litwick, Fletchling, Carvana, Barboach, Clefairy, oh, we did get a reverse rare, kind of cool. Politoed, reverse rare, and a Whiscash, regular rare. Not a bad one there. Now let's get into some Crimson Invasion. Let's start with this booster right here with the card ton on it. Can get an ultra rare, can get anything. Ooh, solid green again. Not too confident in today's video, guys. We are going to go fire type energy for the Gusty energy. We did get a metal type energy instead of this one. A Alolan Graveler, Cincino, Peking Red Card, Nummel, Starly, Chimchao, Bunnelby, Carablast, Gorgeist, reverse rare, very nice, and a Cacturne regular rare. Next pack, this one with Guzzlord on the front. Ultra Beast Pokemon were featured in this set. I don't know if they were they weren't very widely popular though. This set never really was. Just didn't have great pull rates, not a super great set. As you can see, we're not getting anything so far. Let's go water type energy, and there's the Forgotten Fairy type energy. That is now gone. Gastrodon, Peking Red Card, Piloswine, Alolan Geodude, Aron, Ghastly, Staryu, Cacnea, Kakuna, Reverse Uncommon, and a Gorgeist, regular rare. Got the regular rare version of that. Final pack for this Crimson Invasion. Hopefully we can get one lightning green code card in the video. And we did. Thank goodness. We can at least get something. Let's go 4 from the back to the front, and we'll do lightning type energy. We got a psychic type energy, Excelgor, Kakuna, Lairon, Mincino, Weedle, Cubone, Salandit, Feebas, Numel reverse, and a hyper rare Alolan Golem GX. That is a beautiful, very well textured Pokemon card that I definitely didn't have. Crimson Invasion definitely pulled us together for this video, guys. I need some good sleeves for this one. Let's get a nice sleeve right here. Our nice clear sleeves for this. Grab a hardcover, put him inside of that, and wow, there is a hyper rare Alolan Golem GX. Let's fix that lighting a little bit so you guys see that card a little bit better. I don't know. That's a pretty nice card if you ask me. Do enjoy that Alolan Golem. Very nice card. So guys, let's fix this lighting up a little bit. Don't know which setting we're on. Okay, so that is going to be it for today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon or button so you get notified every single time a new video goes up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. See ya.